downside move in Bitcoin and the downside move in stocks. Jeff Sica.
No, he's delusional. I think no, he's delusional. The bottom line is when Bitcoin peaked, I also said it was too high, and if you're going to invest in it, be prepared to lose. No, there's no correlation here. But what I will say is that what Bitcoin reflects is a high level of speculation in the market. You're seeing people speculate on cryptocurrencies because there's a feeling that nothing could possibly go wrong. So what I do believe is there's no direct correlation, but the amount of complacency and speculation that would force somebody into something like Bitcoin is very, very evident right now, and it's something that needs to be paid attention to. There needs to be a healthy level of fear and concern in a market for me to be considered viable.
You keep making that same point. We ain't there yet where you will buy. That's what you keep on saying.
Exactly it.
That's where you are.
Exactly it.
So you're saying we're going to head south again.
Yeah,
Okay.
And don't buy.
I don't mind. And you say it, but you know,
where do we put our
clearly.
money in the meantime?
Say it clearly.
Well, cash is an asset class. I mean, the problem I have is that you have so many people with so little cash to buy into this. I think we're depending a lot on this money that's going to come from overseas, like you mentioned, Apple with the 280-something billion. Yeah. I think we're depending too much on that. Where I would say is investors have got to feel okay with cash. It's okay. It's okay to have cash in your account.
Well, it's dead safe, that's for sure.
Yeah.
You sleep at night.
It all depends on your time horizon. I don't think we can call it day by day. Cash is yielding now about 1%. The three stocks I mentioned, they're all yielding more than 3%. I think 5 years from now, you'll be well rewarded if you get involved, and you're not going to be able to pick the exact bottom.
That is interesting. Your idea is if you think you're getting too much risk in the stock market, sell some of the stocks and go into high dividend yield stocks.
That's always a classic strategy.
Get out of some stocks and go to cash.
Yeah, because here's the thing. You have so many people who've been starved out of the bond market that are in those high dividend stocks, collecting dividends that are better than they could get in bonds. The Fed did this market a severe disservice by lowering interest rates and closing the bond market down to retirees. Retirees need bonds. They need interest off of bonds. They shouldn't be taking interest off of volatile stocks.
Couldn't agree with you more.